Alright, so got the old fan motor out, old blade off. Now, we gotta get these screws out for the new guy. Put it on the bracket before I put the blade on, because it's gonna be hard to get to these screws once the blade is on there, so do it first. One more. Okay. Now we're good. Okay. Pull that guy through like this. Old motor out of the way. This guy's gonna sit just like that. Huh? How are we doing this? Oh, like this. Well, the wire goes through. Feed that guy through. Oh, this shit is tons of fun. But yeah, so pretty much just putting this fucker here. And I'll see you guys back when I have this fucker in.